What if just 1 hour could change your whole financial future? Seriously, grab a timer because today I'm showing you how to kickstart your debt-crushing journey in just 60 minutes. You ready? Let's go! First off, let's get real. Debt isn't just numbers, it's stress, it's sleepless nights, it's holding you back from vacations, investments, maybe even peace of mind. But with laser focus, you can start breaking free, fast. Step 1. Inventory. List every single debt, credit cards, loans, medical bills. Write down the total balance, interest rate, and minimum payment for each. You want the ugly truth in front of you. Spend 5 minutes here. Don't overthink, just write. Now step 2. Build a zero-based budget. Every dollar has a job. Cover your bills, save a little, and most importantly, start paying down debt. Scan your bank statement for quick wins, old subscriptions, random takeout, impulse buys. Cut them and redirect that money straight to your debt. Step 3. Pick your payoff method. Avalanche means you hit the highest interest loan first, fastest mathematically. Snowball? You knock out the smallest one first, big on motivation. Choose one, lock in, and throw every extra penny at your target. Step 4. Negotiate. Yep, grab your phone, call your creditors, and ask for a lower rate or fee waiver. It takes 10 minutes and works more often than you think. Track those wins, they add up fast. Step 5. Unleash extra funds. Got a tax refund, bonus, or cash from selling old stuff? Dump it on your debt. Even finding an extra $50 a month by trimming insurance or your phone plan can change the game. Step 6. Automate and track. Set up automatic payments for every debt and one extra manual power payment a month for your main target. Use a simple spreadsheet or app. Watching your balances drop is crazy motivating. Look, life throws curveballs. Build a $1,000 mini emergency fund, then get back to crushing debt. If you mess up, just reset and keep going. Perfection isn't the goal, consistency is. So in 1 hour, you've made a plan, picked your method, negotiated, freed up cash, automated, and got tracking. That's your blueprint for breaking free. If you're fired up, comment your biggest takeaway, and subscribe for weekly tips. Download my free debt payoff worksheet, it's linked below. Remember, action beats anxiety every time. Start now.